Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 10 peso commemorative coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. This is the 10 peso coin of the Philippines commemorative coins. In front of this coin, you will see the portrait of Apolinario Mabini. And this one is the 10 peso. And over here, you will see the Republika ng Pilipinas. Now I'll show you the other side of this coin. This is also the portrait of Apolinario Mabini while sitting and writing. And this is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And on the lower side, you will see the 150 years anniversary. Now let's continue. By the way guys, later I will show you the error of this coin. So stick around. Anyway, let's continue. The 2014 Philippine 10 peso commemorative coins honors the 150th birth anniversary of Apolinario Mabini, July 23, 1864 to July 23, 2014. This bimetallic coin features Mabini writing at a desk on the reverse and the BSP seal on the obverse. It remains a legal tender with a diameter of 26.5 mm and a weight of 8.7 grams. Now let's talk about the coin details. Commemoration 150th birth anniversary of Apolinario Mabini, 1864 to 2014. Release year 2014. Composition bimetallic nickel brass center and a copper nickel ring. Now let's talk about the reverse. Reverse seated portrait of Mabini 150 years and 1864 2014. Obverse Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP seal, denomination and Republic of the Philippines. Now let's talk about the value. The value, legal tender, but its value is generally determined by collectors' demand, especially if in uncirculated condition. So guys, I will not mention any amount if we're talking about the value of this coin because the collector will tell you the exact amount of this the value of this coin, because the value of your coin, it depends on the condition of your coin. If your coin is in pristine condition, the collector will tell you or give you a higher price. Anyway, as I mentioned earlier, I will show you the error of this coin. So this is the error of this coin. If you have a coin like this one with error, of course the value will be much higher compared to the ordinary coin. So I will show you the error. This is the error. There is a metal axis or error in this part here. I don't know if this is an error or metal axis. Anyway, you see this one, this one here. Yan. There is a metal axis, okay? Yan. I will focus the camera. I will show you. Yan. Here. This is the error of this coin. So, if your coin has an error, I'm sure the value of the coin is much higher compared to not or no error coin. But anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.